Welcome to all. Myself, Dr. Shivakumar, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use online matrix calculator. It is available in the website desmos.com. If you go to the website and you will get a screen like this, math tools, classrooms and resources. See, in most of the calculators, we can use up to 3 by 3 matrix, and few calculators we can also use 4 by 4 matrix. 4 by 4 matrix. But in this online matrix calculator, we can use up to 6 by 6 matrix, which is used in numerical methods and finite element analysis, etc. And this online matrix calculator is used for educational purposes. So in that, we can use 8 matrices A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. We can define 8 matrices and up to the order of 6 by 6. And the major operations are subtraction, addition, multiplication. And this division also used for Cramer's rule. Now let me explain one example to solve one 4 by 4 equation. See the system of equation. This is 4 by 4 matrix and this is unknown variables. 4 unknowns are there, x, y, z and w, and this is the RHS matrix. This is 4 by 1 matrix 20, 26, 10, 2. Now we are going to solve this equation, that is we are going to find the value of x, y, z and w. By using matrix inversion method, we can easily solve these values by inverting this 4 by 4 matrix and multiplying with this 4 by 1 matrix. Now let me explain how to do by this online matrix calculator. So first define matrix A. So go to this matrix A. That means first we have to get new matrix and it will come A matrix. This is 4 by 4 matrix. So here rows we have to increase 4 and columns 4. We can also use for 6 by 6 matrix by increasing the rows to 6 and the columns to 6. Now we are considering 4 by 4 matrix. So reduce the rows to 4 and reduce the columns to 4. Now we have to assign the values of this matrix A. So the matrix A values are 1, then press the right arrow button, and 2, 3, 4. Likewise assign the values. Use right arrow button. Two, 1, minus 4, 7, 4, 2, minus 8, minus 4. Now we defined the matrix A. Now we have to find A inverse into B. So next define matrix B. So it's a 4 by 1 matrix, that is 4 rows, 1 column. So increase the rows to 4 and reduce the columns to 1. We have to assign the values 20, then press the right arrow, 26, 10 and 2. Now we defined A matrix and B matrix. Now we have to find A inverse into B to solve the equation. So this is called enter button. So for moving the next step, we have to press enter. Now press A and press this inverse, A inverse and into, then press B matrix. So we get the answer directly 4, 3, 2, 1. That is X, Y, Z and W. So this is very simple method, and within fraction of second we can solve this equation. So other options here available are A square, that is square matrix we can easily find, A inverse, A transverse and A power n. A power n means we can easily get A cube and A power 6, A power 9 up to A power 1000 like that. So let me explain how to find A cube of this matrix. So press enter, then press A, then press this A power n button. So then press 3, A cube. This is the value of A cube. In similar way, we can find A power 4, A power 5, etc. up to n. Then we can easily find the value of determinant of A. And we can also find the value of trace. Trace is the sum of leading main diagonals. Now let me explain how to find the determinant value of this matrix. Press enter, press determinant and press A matrix and close this bracket. We will get the determinant value minus 1386. This is the determinant value. Now let me explain another one example. Consider this A matrix and B matrix. A matrix is 4 by 6 matrix and B matrix is 4 by 4 matrix. Now we are going to find the value of A transpose B into A. So these kind of problems are mainly come in finite element analysis. Like we all know the subject concept B transpose DB. Here I am taking A transpose BA. Okay. Now go to the matrix calculator and now we have to define B matrix, and I clear all the matrix and first define A matrix. A matrix we have 4 by 6 matrix, so 4 rows and 6 columns. Now we have to assign the values. Already I explained. First -1, then press right arrow button, then 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, then right arrow button, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, right arrow button, 0, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1, right arrow button, -1, -1, 0, 1, 1 and 0. Now we defined A matrix. Then we have to assign the new matrix B matrix. So press new matrix, that is B matrix. B matrix is 4 by 4 matrix. So increase the rows up to 4 and column up to 4. Now you have to give the values. So 3, press right arrow, 1, 1, 0, right arrow, 1, 3, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now we define the A matrix and B matrix. Now we are going to find the value of A transpose B A. So press enter. First we have to find A transpose. So press A and press transpose. We get A transpose into B matrix into A matrix. So we get the answer likewise. So this is the answer. We get 6 by 6 matrix. That is, this is 4 by 6 and this is 4 by 4 matrix. So we get the answer 6 by 6 matrix. Okay. So this is the answer of A transpose B into A. This is mainly come in finite element analysis stiffness matrix found. You may refer some standard finite element analysis books, those who are working in the area. In similar way, we can find all the multiplication, subtraction, addition, etc. So up to 8 matrix we can define A, B, C, D to H and in the order of 6 by 6 matrix. So this is the main advantage and time saving calculator. Now let me explain another one example, that is RREF, that means reduced row echelon form. So now I am going to clear all. Now I am going to define a matrix A of 2 by 3 matrix. So rows 2 and column increase. We have to give the values. 1, then right button, 5, 1, 2, 11, 5. Now we have to find the reduced row echelon form, then press enter. Here it is available RREF, that means reduced row echelon form. So press this and press A and close the bracket. So we get the answer 1 0 minus 14 0 1 3. So this is the result. By using this we can find higher order matrices up to 6 by 6. So this is very time saving and very useful for educational purposes. So we can also find the trace. Trace means sum of the leading diagonals. I hope you understand and use it effectively. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a pleasant life.